Convert true to true JSON Python. In reading JSON which has a boolean. When loading the file in Python with JSON.load, I get true, I've read the specs. As I understood, I need to use JSON.dumps to handle this. My dumps look like this. And my load like this. When printing data, I get My question is, how do I convert the true to true after loading the JSON file? Later in my code I use the data.iteraTIMES to get all the keys and values. If I write like this, it will print out. But then I can't do. Because I get this error. How can I fix this? Edit, here is the code. I am using argument parser where directory could be c\mid or /dir1 and JSON_path c:\mid or /dir1 /mid_JSON. Mid contains. Function tries to find XYZ in a file. Please say it finds it in the file myfile.txt which contains. I want to replace false with true if the name matches. The expected output in myfile.txt should be the refin name finds the name, XYZ, by using regex++.
I believe you misunderstand the roles of JSON.loads and JSON.dumps, and their cousins, JSON.load and JSON.dump. JSON.dumps, or JSON.dump, converts a Python object to a string, or file, which is formatted according to the JSON standard. JSON.loads, or JSON.load, converts a string, or file, in JSON format to the corresponding Python object. Consider this program. Of course one cannot .iteraTIMES the result of .dumps. The result of .dumps is a str, not a dict. However, you can transmit that str, via file, socket, or carrier pigeon, to another program, and that other program can .loads it to turn it back into a Python object. Returning to your question. How do I convert the true to true after loading the JSON file? You do so by converting it back to JSON. Edit. You've posted a larger part of your program in your question, which makes it more apparent where the problem lies. If I were you, I'd do one of two things. 1. I'd modify write to file like so. Or, 2. I'd modify midson.json like so.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.